Hello viewers, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depends where you are watching me from. Hello my people. Hello my Nigeria people. Hello everybody. Hello. I'm back, your sister Edith. Hello. Happy everybody. I wish everybody good luck in this indoor time. By God's grace, we will be heard from it in Jesus' name. So we have special word today. We have special word to my Nigeria people. We have special words. So let me play a little music before then. You know, celebration without anything without music can never go. So myself, I love music so much. I'm a happy woman. Invite your friends, invite your brothers, invite your sisters. We have a lot to speak today. We have a lot. I have a lot to speak. Me and you, we are going to discuss it together. Network. Jesus. Invite. Invite. Invite your people. We have a lot to speak. We have a lot to discuss today. Invite my people. I have something for my Nigeria people. I have something for you people. I have something. Invite. Please don't mind me. My network is just dancing up and down. I don't know what is wrong with the network since 3 days ago. Invite. Please invite. To speak today. We have a lot. Invite your friends to come and hear the good news, to come and hear the advice, to come and hear many things concerning my country. We will discuss many things, we will speak many things, we will see advice. I know many people don't hear advice, but by God's grace, God will let us hear. What is wrong with the network? This network is working since morning, nothing. Invite. I need to talk to somebody. I need somebody to speak with. Please. I will share with you, you share with me. Invite. Invite my brothers and sisters. Viewers, invite. As you invite, God will continue to bless you. As you share, God will continue to bless you. As you subscribe, God will continue to bless you. Invite so that you will share from the word. We have a lot to discuss. We have a lot to speak today. Invite my viewers. Invite. Without you people, who I will talk to? Nobody. People talk to people. People understand. Invite, please. I need to speak with you people. Invite and share. First of all, let me introduce my business first. This is my business, Mary Kay Products. This is my business. This very one, I have the one to clear your face. Even when you have anything dark in here, you need to clear it. I have all here. I have the makeup you will make. I have the makeup you will use. Your face will not be white. It's direct from company. I don't buy from hand to hand. I order from company. And secondly, my sister, my brothers and sisters, no need to stay indoor just like that. If you need it to be also do the business, I will still show you the way. Just inbox me. My number is there. Pick my number up there and call me. Or you inbox me through my Facebook. I use the number for WhatsApp. Please, when you need it, let me know. Because we women, without doing anything, nothing. When you are doing something, you will be shining every day. But nobody knows the way you shine. Please, my brothers and sisters, my fellow Nigeria, you people, we have to be doing something. These things, everybody know, Mary Kay Products is so nice, very good. You can't use it and your face will be white. And they have a lot of different things. Even body cream is there. If you have any spot in your body, they have everything to clear it away. Even though your face, what will clear, if there is any itch in your face, any pimples in your face, they have something to clear it away. It's direct from company. It's not that I'm doing business with maybe I just go and buy from somebody, continue to put it in advert now. It's direct from company. If I want to order for you, it's direct from company. If you want to register with the company, please let me know. I will still do that for you, because one person not the chop sweet foods. You chop, me I chop, everything go there okay. If one person reach for a city, the richness is just like it's not rich, it's still poverty. So let's share. Me share, you share. Everything will be going on fine. My brothers and sisters, the business is very good. It's a very cool business. You don't know the way the money come. Because why? When you go to Mary Kay company, when you want to do business with them, if you register with them, you want to do something with them, it's 50-50 by selling. It's 50-50. It's only when you invite somebody that is 4%. But this buy and sell is 50-50. No, they don't do anything black 419. No, I know them like that. When I never enter, I never believe well, but when I go into it, I see that it's true. So my brothers and sisters, my fellow women, everybody get up, rise up, and let us do something. Let us do something. Let us do something. When you hold 2 euro today, you use it for this thing, it will be 10 euro tomorrow. If you don't use money to buy money, no way. Oh. We need to use money to buy money. That time we have been using to be making trouble, to be doing all sorts of things that is not even in the line. We use it to focus on this. If you cannot buy it, go to streets. You must know people. You sell with them. Even though it's 10 euro you see a day, it's money. You have 10 euro before, you have 10 euro too. You have 10 euro in your pocket before, 10 euro come and add. How much is that? That is 20 euro, for example. But when we are sleeping, or the phone, the strength we will use to do a good business, we use it for what is not even important. My sister, I believe you use it for your business is better. Use your strength for your business. That strength you will use to be talking here and there, use it for your business. Is better. When these people, any country you have, maybe government is helping you before, when they see that you are doing fine, you even take yourself out of the government hands with hard work. You can see that everything will be okay. You understand? No looking down of you again. You know, we Nigeria, they always look down of us in anywhere we go. Let us use our hand to bring that looking down of us, to pull it good at all. Myself, I'm not happy over it. My brothers and sisters, my fellow Nigerians, let us do something. Mostly my women, let us do something. I have a word for you people. I have a word for the men. Everybody. Because, in short, they say when you have a child, when your child is dancing well in anywhere you go, you will be happy. But if it is not dancing well, you cannot be happy. Every day you will be so sad. You understand? Please, my fellow women, let us rise up. Anytime you come across this video, if you need it, either you inbox me by my Facebook or you call me with my line. My line is there. I use that line. I have 2 lines there. The one that is Slacker, that is my WhatsApp. The other one, anyone you call me, I'm available to answer you. Thank you very much. God bless you. So we come for my network is, I don't know what is wrong with the network. So maybe God don't want me to play music today. So let's go home. So my topic today it goes like this. My brothers and sisters, there is something I see in Facebook. I was seeing it since 1 week ago, but I could not even want to even say anything about it. Not that I don't want to say anything about it. For that time I see it, I was so busy to see a little bit. I don't have chance to come out. But now yesterday, I see it again. I say, what type of things is this? This is not good at all. We Nigeria, call who is fighting in the street, we call Nigeria. Call who is fighting with the 2 couple that is fighting, Nigeria. Not that it's too much, it's finished for me. It also happened to me, but we need to use sense. If you don't use sense, we will continue like this. You understand? What I saw there, even I saw somebody that still make a video for it, and it talked the right thing. Please, my brother, I don't know you, but when you see this video, just listen and advise yourself, please. That man and that woman that is fighting, this man just take whether it's telephone or anything, I don't know what he used to, what the man used, I don't know. It was video his own wife and the kids self. That said, come and see, the wife I marry is fighting with my mother. My brother, that thing is very, very bad. If your wife offends you, call her one-on-one. You know, if somebody is hot, nothing you will say that he will listen to you. But when maybe when she will come down, you will call her. Please, my wife, what you are doing, so I don't like it. This is not the way. Change. Just look at a wife you marry, you have the first issue. I believe that first son, it will be around that kind of 10 to 11 years. The second one, that little girl, maybe that one will up to 3 years or so. Okay, it's now you are saying, no man, don't marry Benin woman. Benin woman is very bad. Which tribe is not fighting in this relationship? But it's not everybody that bring their own out. What you did is very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. Okay, I wish as you do now, this woman will still call presenter and say my husband is fighting. Will you like it? Can you like it? Can you like it? Even your mother. It's not because I was hearing in background where your mother is, you want to exchange words with the woman. You say you should leave him not to exchange words with her. No, as a mother, when something happen like that, your mother need to settle everything. If you see that it's because I'm there, the problem continue to hurt, then she tell you, oh, my son, no problem. I don't want problem between you and your woman. Let me go. I have my house. Since you don't want me to take care of her, okay, no problem. My dear, take care of your child and yourself. Then streets, everybody is looking at you people in the streets. It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. You say, because I'm hearing what you are speaking, Isha and the Edo, are they not the same thing? Why are we differentiating ourselves? Why? All those character, we need to put it aside. Because just look at the two kids now. They are looking at you people when you people are fighting, doing video. No, it's not what you think. That video, the video went viral. Tomorrow when your child will grow, you see this type of a video, what did you think that he will, how the child will feel? How you sure he will feel? He will not feel fine. He will not feel fine. Just look at the other small. It's asking your wife, hey mommy, did grandma beat you? Grandma beat you? The mama say yes. Where police come tell them that they beat me? Really, they beat me. You think where police will come? You cannot go free. Then at the end of the day, you will say, hey, my woman give me to police. It's you that give yourself to police. It's you that give yourself to police. That habit is very, very wrong. It's very, very bad. Please, my brother, you try to stop that. Try to stop. If really you are big enough to marry, you could have known what to do. You understand? It's very bad. I wish it's the woman that did that video. And I will say, that is the habit of women. Or it's sense go to. You man, you do that. Huh? What do you think you are doing? You want to narrate her? You want to put her in disgrace or what? You disgrace yourself. It's not that woman you disgrace. You disgrace yourself, my brother. It's bad. Maybe you will say, maybe this woman is a dope woman is supporting his sister. No, I don't support anybody. You, my sister, also with you. You know, tomorrow you will be a mother-in-law. If you beat your mother-in-law, your own son wife is coming to beat you too. You never go free. That is why anything you do this time around, you look back, you look front before you do it. Mostly the house, you have a child. You use your sense to do anything you are going to do with the home. Don't do anything anyhow. You understand? A woman that I believe you just newly born where this thing happened now, that is 3 kids. A woman that give birth to 3 kids, you will never say you don't have sense. I always use it in parable that anybody that come to Europe, he call himself a child, is a lie. He's a liar. Just look at, it's not only these people I'm talking to. I talk to everybody, all Nigerians. If you people are doing this thing, stop. Stop. It's very, very bad. It's not in Europe. We'll be everywhere you go. Nigeria. The bad side of it. No. Please let us change our habits. Let people know us for good thing. Let people recognize us for good thing. So please, my brothers and sisters, use your sense. Use your sense, please. Because use your sense. Because all those things you people are doing, tomorrow your children will grow and meet it. They will not be happy with you people. They will not be happy with you people. They will not be happy. Because, in short, you know, children in Europe, they're wise more than serpents. They're wise more than everything. Today, husband and wife will fight. Tomorrow, they will fight. When your children will continue to see it, they will not be happy with you people. Let your home be a happy home. We know there is no home, no quarrel, where there is no quarrel. But if you use your sense, your home will be peaceful for you. There is nothing like peace home. Peace home, everything will be coming. Joy will come, money will come, blessing will come, favor will come. Every time, quarrel. I know man and woman always quarrel, but let gap be there. My sister, I don't forget your own way. See, please respect your husband, mother. Because why? Tomorrow you will be a husband mother. See, your child is already big. From now to 20-something years now, you will be a mother-in-law. You will be a mother-in-law. Okay, when your son, girlfriend, or your wife talk to you anyhow, will you like it? You cannot like it. You cannot be able to resist it. Please, my sister, change for the habit. If your mother-in-law offends you, just call your husband. Please, I don't like what your mother is doing. Or call the woman, because I believe you people have a good relationship. That is why she come and take care of you when you have a baby. Call her, mommy, no, I don't like this thing, mommy, please. I believe if she's still will have a child like that, nonsense, he will still apologize to you. Please don't be offended. Next time it will not happen. I don't know. You know what you like, I like. You understand? Please, my sister. Please, you people have to stop. Waiting make your husband, waiting make me so angry with your husband is that video that he did. The video is not work at all. No. You need to go and delete that thing. I know it's already go, but you have to delete it and come out and do video. You understand? Please, brother, don't let that thing happen again. It's very, very bad. Even though it's you and your brother or you and your sister, you and your anybody, don't do it again. It's very bad. It's just like the person that takes somebody to station. He cannot be your friend. He cannot be your friend. You are trying to show the woman face. Thank God the woman go far from you. The will try to zoom it and see the face. Not that she's a thief or anything, but it's bad. It's not good. Please, my brother, change your way. Don't do it again. And you, my sister, change your way. Let me use Benin to talk to you, because your husband said this is a dog woman, yeah. Wala wo obiedo no go. Wagimari ujine gbe makakabo. De natana awa asogedo edo otin edo asogoma edo otin. Ujina yobo ma da yigine gbe. No da we odewo no nyakpa anti okmaso me no manya egwe ya heku. Ana emiele do hini ya rifila kan gbe wi ran wi ya. Egwe Adolf nugi ewodo okoko Adolf nugi edo no podo mo Adolf nugi edo na me maka mu Adolf nugi edo. Why na? Why? Wagi ma change unyiwe. Wagi ma change unyiwe. Huh? Ni mare ri ebogi ewi mani. Ebone na ona degbela. Okie wo na mo ya giro ye. Ya se gbebo ne me pa kan. Of nu giedo. Huh? Mi no gba wala agogo. Wagi ma fi were ye. Eboni je ejo wa. Owa je me kakabo. Eboni wa je me. Eboni na zobo so gweno. Eboni na kokome nwa no. Eboni na dokpe na dogwe no. Eboni ma khome dedemede. Wala agogo. Wagi ma fi nyi me were ye. Na mi le ta ibe se ni edo. Awi mami obi edo na awi tota. Weru wa ki aje gwala o. Okwe nyanga na. O ma gba. Aga denia. Aga die ke nebo na gbina. Nebo na we da. Obi edo mo so arugwe. Why? Mi no gba. Eden maya duoni. Maya ya adu e ki agbon. Eden maya ni o ye ke nu mama gbon alare. Wagi Mario boy mi dari. Wala wo bi edo no go me. Ibi godo mi godo. Ibi awo na arimi no rejo wala wo wagi ma ya fi ko na kwe ko gbe na ya we mi agbon be bo na. Wa ya we mani ni e ya ligi. Imi a continue age bo ni so ake mi ewe that do get turn up na gboya vi bi e ku gbe na ya dole bo ni se. Enozi mega hiabo, enozi wega hiabo, ehun mega hiabo, ehirun wega hiabo. Agbon yaga se aberi yo okian jeli. Mostly kate Nigeria na we mani. Wala ho. Era me bijeme. Eteme ni ga hia. Wala wo. Wagi ma vie mi dan ko anori ma hie. Ni ma vie mi normal atia. Edi agbe ni ma o mi no ma be di agbe. Edi agbe na azi mi no ma na hia o. Eti agbe iwo maga we mi no mana gwe agogo jo. Ebonu ana be mie orun evaga rogwa ibie wo pa yahi once opa wa progress a problem e dere e mana e no gba ibie to we wo ma ati o na meroji bo ina je ni ana ena wala go wa invite igual e bo yo ni gwe magun beni bese wala go ira me bijimi wa mi eji ho imare do ti ebo no pe mare do ti ebo no ko mare do gbo pe mare do gbo orun da ma ya ma mi won ta wa ja engineer because why every money e gun akan e kan ya so ba so kan ya so ba van o we ra me jeke e gaka me na mana mutia ne e mani no we no push e the right way amana fi opoji ya jeke na je mi ya fefefe su ya o zero ma ya le yin gware ni ya ona gwa ge usero ori ukmo de ga use mepa bo gware bi ari e woni mi ana gbe bo igwo ibi eri e bole bi pot ekeni ya sentila e o to ni ma e woni gbe ana diyan be ki u ya lu mo ma wetu mari mi ogwo be jo testing we am here no goes there e woni gbe ana gbe la kiko u ya lu won me e ku e gbugbe aga ka e bo e no we gbe mi la be webo o ma mo se se we ate ehe keka wena ya lu won me e bi no o isia ana emi egwe emi no ready ma ya seti mu erun yo yeti ya hon amati ma ya gwa egbe na ni o be ya so be yuti ma bo gwa e yuti ma ropa they don't even want we na ze de we na be domia iya ki okay ne na be viere no iya viere do kenegbe ya ni agbe wo agbe no ejun ki ebe epeti vote nekere why useno we mi omo no gwa dagbe damu we den na orun won pa iti ewe no do aju ho go bi eriyin ejo ebe me bo wani we go ni se ejo abe mana ya ni wa we ne election na ibi ero pare Nigeria ni beni malo bu ma ye le ati ewe bo na je family ni ma se abi ibi era ri oja kwa bugwa iya ri oja iya boli ku oja e bugwa ma ogi ma wala we bo no fone o ma efo eke no bi jime era ri oja be Nigeria ni morio agwe be obi jime obi e wo be ye hie ona iga ri oja ne be boni morio wa di mati egbo bi era na ti egbo bi je ni ma iwe mi agbon wala agogo ni ma view ku gbe na ya we mi agbon be boni na ya papa bogwa ma bogwa ye woni o important na kasi yen wo ma re ne e fulani ni gwo wa gbe lo wa be de na e be ga e yore do be do ni memi e ya do be Nigeria o te we mani e be ga e ge mi na ki we Lagos Street e be ga ni e fulani ri pa kun le da de shop kian ri pa kun le lupo ye vi opan yo to ye ki yo to be na ge u ke no mai kian na abio ye na ke no hiru lo wa na no gi ka jan baba son ka jan baba va ala ko o gi gun anya wa ma ya go be webu e mi no gba obi e jama ti are Nigeria no we ye Nigeria ya ala je ni mari ye Nigeria o ma ye ke ma be le were bi wa agbugbo gwaju adoke gwaju all thing changes in life oni ike ewebo o ma la I will never go back from it because I will know pe alaji o ma se wana le la mostly abi ni ma ya ni wa eti ma ni pe adire ne webo they don't even show concern ni show concern I may God continue to bless you people e social media na ma create e we na do ya atale na ya we na ya no whatever abezo akunya ho gbaso akugbe ya share na iyan share for many things iyan ni GSM iyan lo e business iyan lo e ni bun ogima agwa mi no gbina ari ohun ade apole ya kugbe odo wa mi ga kan ari ohun ade aso akugbe no it's very very bad you no gba obi Nigeria no me mi the platform of Igbo iwa de ko platform ya be ne boni ya ma Igbo gun aka iya te mi o we no sa bo ade ba ya be dagbin ya fefefe iya te mi o we iya ma gege mu e ma to gun are de ado azaza be social media o ma gba oh ni ave tinha be ni ave tinha agu amo ati social media o ma gba mi no gba wala wo go bi eto no go mi ibi Nigeria no go be wa ki ma fi obo were e ni ma ye social media na we mi agbon na ya ni yen no ma na ya adu aki no ma mi no ma go do wa e ma ni ro wa mi ma ni re we bo ki ma gbe se onye me asian onye me gbe asian wi ma re wa na ni ya ma ya akonyo konre ona won sponsor na a problem no we pint kekan a we se gbe a problem no mi no gba wala wo agi ma fi yin me gori e government yi working ya ni ya a pastor yi working ya ni ya ha ma to bi ma no we ogi mama amake na re ni amake na kede ma gba be akonyo konre ya mi no gba na wala wo wala wagi ma wi yo ma fi yin me gori na dole bo ni ji ni ma ko bo ku gbe ni ma fi bo yo ba ma yeke na dole bo ni ji ni ma ya fi run ba na dole bo ni ji wala wo aderi mano kwani eri mani no nya bo ni eri mano nya ki o wa eri mano nya ge wo eri mano nya to ya se we bo wala wo wa ge mu egbo to imi wa ba so imi wa ba fa ekwe moji we no mo ti on ekwe moji mi ate ko video so ne ma ya te rubbish I wa si egbera because you only damn you only je your baby hon mi no gba owo do you understand mi o keri ere o ma sagbon ri ye ti mi eri yo to o ma ni okay aso bi yo o to iran o mi so mi na to la kan we da doge wala ogogo we no tenje we ma ya na e pe ma we bo na we ni vie na vie do ni what vie do we ni vie do sa me bo ya ki o te we bo ni vie do ya fefefe ma ri ogwa e palace ya gwe ona akwe we no mania ba wu emi mi no gba wala ho ma ogwa ni mebe gbe ma ati bi e bo me no me ga de na aju nu ri ya bi e bo me ekwe aho me ekwe ni me at all I'm not happy over it wala wo ibi e do no go me ibi ra me bi je me wala ho wa ki ma fi bo gbe ni ma tun aye social media na we no ma ni ma ya bu bi e wi ma de ni ma ya gba da dole wi ma ji ni ma ya gba o re wi ma ni ma ya te no ma be wi ma ni ma ya mo business agbon yo gwa wala wo era me bi je me ti re do ku wa gui ni ma ya fi weri ya se gbe me no guana ni ma ya fi weri me wa no te ka won ko wo ba me ra gbon na ke mi de be ti ge gbe me na ti gbe me to tara bo gbe mo de ala be mi ni bun ma wala oje wala e ma ni me so wa ya watch a video na ti yan no we you ko na gbe ni ana ni ka we for years na we me we level o ma jo we ri lo mi ka me we si e fi am mi ro pa fo o ma we ni ese ke ni ri ba ko no e na ugbe agbon magina ala wo go ra mi je mi ko do wa mi ibi ra bi je ko se wala o e na ka u no se problem ni kwa kere na fi obo wiri na wo no ma wala o go wala ra bi je no bi mi wala o so according to ni ka mu yo to we no pe ni yasun a live video now because mi bu ni viola tian he explain it so never my be explain it so no cause I know we yo egbero ho ni obi je e ma no ni de e na ya we hin ta la ma wa na better na o wa kakabo or they difficult so logo understand because if na ya when if na wa wonu na here be to mi o ma no wa ti wa gwere ya fe it's not easy we oga ko no ton oni ma be se logo gbe bet be no ya se mana be na ya obi ya ke amu eji èmi ni ya ga iro mi pa ka pa no fute lu ha oye no zu gongon we ni ana idea ra do gia Avio de ni aseti ni o yami ni e beto paga no osalokwa bu ha omo gogo ne abi goge ha do gage ha o mi pa ege oye bi nya gage bai e ni here ni e make na made a mistake o be ni gbe no ejibi Nigeria ye ro wa ya we no me go alo so no snap gume so ni make na setting ati e ladian ma ni e made them mistake go because you know say ya say anybody and need you can me awini abuya wani aguya ro but ido eregwe ni wata leji wa because stress here we no e ma ni eti we bo stress no ni abi mi eti stress so yeah setting we wa ju wa ibu no mo ibe ni kume so wala gugu da me bije no pie me wala ho me nita ne mabo kwa ifile kwa no mabo kwa ya webi no wa ya fu yo fi ko guri ogwa manu wa do amanu wa eke here no wa yo boy the blessing here no wa kebi me ofun egbe no wa imi fa no kebi imi fa no wa igi ogwa ama era otene neva odo wa me ni no ga ho ni mami e Facebook no ga video so osalobo no do sofure ye pogwa be ni Jesu ona eti za gwa wa runde mo no wa seto gwa wala ogo ije be ni jiyan iyo da fun eni yo bo wa me video na je la ho no ma wo die no be en ma like wo ya bo me because ebe na meji la wo ya boy o kan no na obi o kan no we ekenu weze la ya boy ya wegbe we ya wa o e wo aga o no ko no ya gbe wa la wo go je me ni je ge pisi aro la make a peace with ya o ke pa un di bi wo ni because igi o wa we ya hin o we kure ke bo rugure o ge dia bo dia wese no so Modailo, I believe I don't know if you speak Benin, if you hear Benin. I take this opportunity to apologize to you for what my sister did. Please forgive her. Just believe that you are a mother. You have a child like this. If it is my daughter that think it so, you people make peace, please. Thank you very much. God bless you. It shall be well with every one of you. In Jesus' name, amen. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you. So share, please. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.